Toloa to Tama business. Kalaniuvalu. My name is Mama, and I'll be your host for this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, our entertainment this afternoon will be brought to you by Reverend Elon New and the Tupou College Jazz Band. This jazz band is the only and the best jazz band here in the Kingdom of Tonga. Our first item is called Funky Town by Steve Greenberg, featuring Jacob Maka as our alto saxophone. This song, Funky Town, is dedicated to the Ministry of Health, Honorable Minister, CEO, doctors, nurses, and Viola staff. It is also dedicated to all the patients out there at Viola. Funky Town by Steve Greenberg. Please give a round of applause.
Funky Town
That was our first item for today. Our second item is What a Wonderful World by Bob Thiel and George David Ways, featuring Siosifa Mansella as our vocal soloist. This song is dedicated to the dental department, Dr. Amanak Fahakovi, Dr. Fusfifita, Sueliu Homanu, and staff, and delegations from Rotary Australia. What a wonderful world to all wonderful people. Thank you very much.
of the rainbow so pretty in the sky are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands saying, how do you do? They will listen, I love you. My babies cry, I watch them grow, then learn much more than I ever learned. And I think to myself, but I'm in the mood. I think to myself, but I'm in the mood.
Our third item for today is Final Countdown by Joey Tempest, featuring Eloni Prescott playing the tenor saxophone. This song is dedicated to the Longoteki Old Boys, the Blue Gola Old Boys, and also to Matan Puloka and the Puloka Construction Company. Final Countdown by Joey Tempest. Malo. Our fourth item for today is called Can't Help Falling in Love by George David Weiss, featuring Matialona Poahau, our vocal soloist, and Korifunaki, our frugal soloist. This is a special dedication to the representatives from Queen Charlotte College and Tupou High School. And to all the girls who are listening to us from home, this is for you. Can't help falling in love with you. Thank you.
So in those some days I'm meant to be.
Our fifth item is a special item called Lead On Me by Bill Withers, featuring Simon Manu, our tenor saxophone, David Jr. William Manu, alto saxophone, Simote Taunaholo, our trumpet, Elone Prescott, tenor saxophone, Adnaisa Tongatapu, trombone, and Daniel Dale, trumpet. I'd like to ask David Manu to please stand up. David Manu is the son of Sueli Manu, engineer from the dental department. He is named after Dr. David Goldsmith. So there's not only a David Goldsmith in Australia, but we have a David Goldsmith in Toloa. So this special song is dedicated to Dr. David Goldsmith and his Rotary team, John McDonald, David Dippy, Peter and Mary Cobb, Damien Knight, and Lopet Lanuvia. Lean On Me by Bill Withers. Thank you. sixth item for today is called Happy by Pharrell Williams. This song is dedicated to all those who may be visiting Toloa for the very first time. And we see that there's some chairs and some tents moving. If you want to dance or you're too excited, the dance floor is free. It's spacious and it's open for anyone, and welcome to anyone. Thank you very much. After Adam, I think everybody will be happy from our lovely item from the jazz band. Our seventh item is This Is Me by Benji Basic and Justin Paul, featuring Sinilau Sailosi, our vocal soloist. This is dedicated to our guest of honor, Prince Kalaniuvalu Fotofili, and former ex-student Tongatapu Hamid. This Is Me is a song to show that this is how we see us at the Ball College. We may not be special, we may not be gifted, but we are not ashamed of who we are. We make no apologies to who we are, and we thank God for making us and for making each and every one of us. This is me. Thank you very much.
I'm not a stranger to the dawn. Hide away, this end, 'cause we don't want be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they said, no one love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to this. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. But it's not fun when they got me down. I'm gonna stand up, I'm gonna jump them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I go. Little mountain knows the speed I grow. I'm not scared to be seen. I'll make no apologies. This is me.
For our last item is a song called Tupou. This is an a cappella song and will be featuring the Music Academy a cappella. This is a farewell song. Farewell to you all in appreciation. This farewell is only farewell for now. Tupou College is always open to visitors and to anyone. For those in Australia, you're always welcome here at Tupou College. Tupou College is always open, and it is always our privilege to welcome you all. This is farewell to you all, appreciation and love from all of us of Tupou College. Malo pito.
Forgive me.